Okay. Now my brain is actually like a little bit working better. It's been on a big halt. Okay, mention in the Discord. Hopefully we're live. Everything is good. Yep, 163 missing ranges. Okay, lads. Let me share my screen and let me tell you what we are doing. Again, a premium problem. 163 mixing ranges. Love to see the first of all, let's look at the companies. In last 6 months, it has been Meta 7 times. It has been asked in Meta in last 6 months, and more than 6 months ago, like 6 to 12 months, it has been in Google 13 times and Apple twice. So let's get started with that, right? A good problem, indeed. Let me send you guys this. And after, Radhe Radhe Ma, Radhe Radhe. And after I'm done with the problem, I will send this and the editorial in the Discord. So here you go for the Discord. I'll pin it in the chat. I'll pin it in YouTube as well. Okay, so everywhere it's pinned. So let's get started with our bread and butter. LeetCode or Die, another series, missing numbers or missing ranges. Easy one. You are given a inclusive range, lower and upper, and a sorted unique integer array nums, where all elements are within the inclusive range, right? So a number x is considered missing if x is in the range this and not in nums. Return the shortest sorted list of ranges that exactly covers all the missing numbers. That is, no element of nums is included in any of the ranges and each missing number is covered by one of the ranges. Okay, interesting. Shortest sorted list of ranges. That's exactly covers all the missing numbers. So if we are given nums 0 to 75 and lower is this, upper is 99. So we have 0, 1. Then I think 2 is missing. So 2 to 2. That's here. Then 3, but 4 is missing. So inclusive, right? 4 to let's say whatever is next, 50, 49. This will be like should be done in ON almost, right? Then 50, 51 to 74, whatever is the range, 76 to blah blah blah, right? Range, yo, back to the Clippy. Howdy, man. Then we have nums -1, lower -1, upper -1. There is no missing ranges since there is no missing. Yo, this is a good problem though, boss. As I was saying, this has been asked in Meta 7 times and Google 13 times and Apple 2 times. 6 months ago, 6 to 12 months and 0 to 6 months. So popular one. Howdy, man. Paulia Eftron. Howdy. Welcome to the family. Sorry, I don't know how to say Paul Yeftron or Eftoran. I have no idea. Sorry. Let me know. I will pronounce it right then. Mine is good too, bro. Thanks, Wrench. Mine is good too. Okay. So let's draw quickly what we are going to do, and should be Polyeftoran. Okay. So, cat just enter your house. She might need to learn LeetCode too, man. The inflation is so high, even the kids, animals, everybody has to work, boss. It's an equal opportunity century. You got more competition now for job, Wrench. So let's say we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Right? And we are given upper, lower, and upper. Yeah, bro. Now I'm saying it's an equal opportunity, right? So the cat needs to learn LeetCode, the dog needs to learn LeetCode, the 1-year-old kid needs to learn LeetCode. By the time they reach 20, they will have 20 years of experience required, man. This AI shit is crazy. Everybody needs to work. The inflation is high, the AI thing, and on top of it is the rent everywhere. Hilarious. I don't know who is living at this point. Everybody's just like running around from one tragedy to other. It's crazy. You know, interesting thing I read yesterday. I'm reading, as I mentioned, right? Yeah, cat needs to pay the bill. That milk is expensive, bro. Can't do just meow meow. Needs to pay for the milk, man. Well, one thing I will actually saying, I'm reading a book called Flash Boys. That's by Michael Lewis. He's one of my favorite. One of my favorite authors of all time. Hence, he has written couple of good ones like The Liar's Poker, amazing book. Moneyball, you might have seen the movie. Big Short, you might have seen the movie, right? And this Michael Lewis, he also talks about in this, and the movie from this one is not that well known, but it's called The Hummingbird Project, where they spent $250 million to get a straight line from Chicago to New York. 30 milliseconds. So, reading about this, and that's exactly they talk about how in Canada, people hate debts, just like in India. But in America, debt is like almost considered something to flaunt upon, something to, just show people, oh, I have this much debt. And I'm this much like I bought this car, I bought this Louis Vuitton. It's just a big culture difference. Amazing book to read. Just want to say, like, talking about debt and how it's like almost fashionable to have debt. Stupid. Yeah, sorry, going back, right? So we have lower and upper limit. What we have to do, start with the lower, see what A is. If A is same as lower, right, that would be our I. And then next look for J. We have to keep going like this way, right? It would be like look at lower, look at A. If lower plus 1 is A, lower is equal to A, or lower plus 1 is A, that's, need to find a better algorithm. So let's start with lower. Look at A. If it is equal to A, then A is our first limit, right? Then look at B here. Is B A plus 1? If yes, new lower limit is this, B, then go to C, right? If not, then we keep on adding, making an array and stuff. Okay. Let's try to code. I think that it would be, this is one of those we can code quickly. So let's say I will have current lower and current lower, current upper, both equals to lower, right? Also, let me know if you get this problem done. I will run it through the send me through Discord and I will run it. So current lower and current upper, we have lower and lower for num in nums or I in range length nums, right? This would be better because if you want to check next one. Just send question screenshot. Sure, boss. Let me open Discord first. Oh, it's open. That's good. It's a interesting problem that has been asked so many times. I'll just send 3 screenshots. Constraints are this, so that's, we can just go on, right? Shouldn't be that hard, right? So just to give you a clarify what my mind is, right? First, specifically just for first one, lower, check lower, right? What is lower? That will be our starting point. Go in every num. If lower or current lower, basically, CL current lower is equal to this, whatever num we are at, or current lower num minus 1. If current lower is equal to num minus 1, current lower will be equal to num. Else we will add current lower num minus 1. I see you like to mock, buddy guy. I see you like to mock me. I was kind of late to this. Is this bubble sort? No, not bubble sort. Actually, what happens is, I'll give you a quick brief. So we are given lower and upper, right? And we are given a unique sorted array, right, of integers called nums. Where all elements are within the exclusive range. So this is inclusive, sorry. What we have to do is, a number x is considered missing if x is in the range lower and upper and x is not in nums. We have to find sorted list of ranges that exactly covers all the missing numbers. That is, no element of nums is included in any of the ranges and each missing number is covered, right? So what it means is, let's say if we are given 0, 1, 3, 50, 75, lower is 0, upper is 99. We have to give ranges in sorted array so that 2, because 2 is missing here, right? 4 to 49, because after 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, and till 49 is missing. So that's there. Then we have 51 to 74, and then 75 to 99, right? That's basically the game. We have to get a list of all the sorted arrays. So for I in range this, current nums I so if the current number is equal this way, right? Let me just copy this because it's easier. If current lower plus 1 is equal to num, so current lower update, else awesome. And I will have result as a list. If it is not equal, then my current lower, whatever is my current lower, so my current lower starts from here. I was just going to say, CH bro, you don't make list or dictionary or sets to have more control over the returns. Okay, nice. So current lower is this +1. Yes. So now this is my current lower. Check the next one, right? Then my current lower is here. Next one, right? So result dot append. Okay, 3572. Howdy, boss. Thank you so much for following. Oh, we reached 200 followers. Awesome. I live in Canada, boss. I live in Canada. Sets are the best things after dictionary. Oh yeah. Bro, if once I'm rich, I will love to. So we go here, we include nums. Yeah, 801 on YouTube. It's amazing. Help me reach oh, actually I have to do that. I have to do a giveaway. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. I have to do a giveaway. I have like some 30-40 bucks, right? From the previous. I have to do that giveaway. I'll start the giveaway over the weekend and it will run for a week. Let's do a hack the box one and a try hack me one. How about that? How much is the lead code? How much is the LeetCode monthly membership? Oh, we can do a LeetCode one as well. Oh, that's actually a lot. Monthly one is expensive. 39. Yeah. Cyber Defender. How much is that? We'll do a one. Like I will post a poll. You guys let me know, and I will do that. Right? We'll decide. We have like 50 bucks. Oh yeah, append. Sorry, thank you. We have 50 bucks. Let me know in the Discord. Okay, it's pinned to the chat. Both the chats. The Discord link is pinned. So goes to num. If num minus I, if this is here, current lower updates. If not, right? And I goes to the next one. No, and then this. We should do some way like this. Is this line will come anyway, so why not do this? And I will reach the end. See the message after you solve it, bro. Have you see Courage the Cow? Oh yes, I have seen. I love it. Patthar lota do. I'm not like that guy. Party de do. Oh yes, try hack me is a great one, especially if you're beginner. It's a great one, but if you are not good with like Linux yet, you are not comfortable, I will recommend go for over the wire bandit game. Get comfortable with Linux there, then go to try hack me. That would be my recommended part. Try hack me for beginners is good. Otherwise, if you are like a pro practicing, I will say hack the box. Yes. Over the wire, yeah. Over the wire bandit game, right? This is easily, if you want to get used to of Linux, this is the G. This is the GOAT. This is the GOAT. For Linux, this is the GOATed thing ever. Try hack me for beginner friendly stuff. If you want to get beginner friendly CTF, then hack the box if you actually want to advance in those. Hack the box is great for learning as well. But I find try hack me to have a better for learning. Like a beginner, try hack me is my go-to. Okay, going back. So we will create all this. Current lower will become the latest one is. I have to release my article on Over the Wire. I have done almost every game on. Oh wow, that's awesome, bro. What you would recommend I should do if I want to do a 24-hour stream? What would be a good one to do? I want to do a 24-hour stream. I was thinking either create like a website for portfolio with you guys, right? For everybody know. Dude, I wish. But I was thinking one would be a portfolio website. Second would be building a game in one day using vibe coding, or 2 days over the weekend to a video game. A simple one, a simple app on iPhone and Android. I thought of the game already too. I know exactly the game. It would be all vibe coding and then maybe over the wire. I want to do those in February once I'm done with certain certifications. Yeah. Oh, dude, that would be actually cool to have, like, a giveaway, but like you have to hack my website. I will create a website. All you have to do is hack it, get the CTF. That's what Heath did. Heath Adams. He did like his upper body nude in somewhere online. Yeah, that would be King of the Hill type thing. Yeah. Yeah. No, I got it. What you meant. Is King of the Hill, right? Like we have on Try Hack Me also, there is King of the Hill. Let's see the test cases. Run it. Two, 4, 51. Okay, just the last one. Yeah. I've completed Try Hack Me pen testing path. After that, what should I do for learning advanced things? Hack the box. Cyber Mayhem by Hack the Box. Oh yeah, I'm down. I would like to see this. But yeah, bro, one thing to do, King of the Hill. If you have done Try Hack Me and stuff, King of the Hill in Try Hack Me. In the Try Hack Me, there is actually like their Discord has people you can like play against, which is fun in my opinion. It's really cool. They have King of the Hill voice chat. You can have fun here, right? People do a lot. That's one. Then you can also do Hack the Box. If you are done with Try Hack Me, do Hack the Box. There is nothing else I can say. Hack the Box is actually, if you are done certain things, you are actually comfortable with a bunch of methods, right? One thing I can share actually for you quickly. Mayhem. Okay. Happens, man. You have been like with me over this whole couple of days. So also okay. So okay, 353. Can you tell me your name? It would be easy to talk, because if I say okay, it would be hard to tell anyone what I'm talking about. Just like give me a alias or anything, right? But what I meant is, if you go in my Discord in the announcement, this is my penetration tester 1 plan. Krish. Oh, love the name. Jai Shri Krishna. Love the name. Okay, so Krish, here penetration tester 1, I have released the plan. This is, I want to give in August 2026 this year. Go over this. Have you done all these stuff? Have a look at this. Yeah, okay, sounds good. I will do that. But yeah, Krish, have a look at this planner. If you have done all this stuff, then move to like Hack the Box. Hack the Box is goated for that. Journal, where is journal? Ooh, okay. I will look at this video. Give me...
However you book your...
let me complete this and I will 100% look at the video, Wrench. Give me 1 sec. I should be done quickly. Test result, both are like just almost one. Here, lower, upper, okay. It's in the chat. It's oh, it's not pinned. Okay, let me just give you that, boss. I thought I pinned it. My bad. Let me pin this manually. Oh, I think I did 20 minutes one. That's why. Sorry. Yeah, you will be able to see it now, right? And for everyone here in YouTube also, here you go. Yeah, And a lot of people, you might be able to get king of, oh, Wrench, you have administrative rights. Why not create a king of the hill type voice chat? You guys can plan there. That would be fun. Okay, going back here, right? Quickly, let me finish this problem. If lower equal upper, return. Just create it. Just ask if anybody wants to, right? King of the hill can be played with just 2-3 people. Oh, but that's how practice is, boss. Wrench. Especially if you're going against me, right? You can still win because you will know more than me. And it's all practice. I would join. If you go and play, if you put that and some people are there, I'm down to join. I'll play King of the Hill, no matter how bad I perform. I know what you're about to say. I will smoke you or something. Yeah, that's probably in your brain going. Because of bug on when I take time to understand the backend. Gotcha. Makes sense. Okay, let's complete. Give me 1 minute, lads. I will complete this and habit of mine, I understand. Oh, yeah. No, it makes sense. Bug bounty is like you actually have to understand because you, first of all, you have legal, like obligations. And it's important because you are going against. Yeah, I will. But I feel like by the end of this year, last year I knew I was getting started. I was still learning. But I feel like this year I would have completed 1,000 hours in hacking, right? And I would have that control over myself where I know exactly what to do. And this year will be explosive, I feel like. Because I won't be going to India this year, probably. I'm going to just actually, a couple of days I'm going to take from work just to hack. And AI. Also, let me know if you are interested in any AI beginner certification if you want to complete over the weekend with me. I have one in mind, two actually in mind. AWS AI Learner, that's a beginner one. And second is GitHub Copilot Foundation. Both are interesting ones. If you guys want, we can complete all the stuff. GitHub we can do in 1 day. AWS will actually require me to spend some money, and along you guys will get some free credits from there, so you can build something cool. Let me know. Put me in the give me in the suggestion. I'm down for those. I have so many. Oh yeah, I have to send that question. I got my second reel on the way though. My first reel I have to ask that question and I will release it. It's basically ready. I have to ask that question, and second reel is ready. It's hilarious. You will love it. Okay, I'm going back. So for range length, if num, this one is. So my case is case 1, 0, lower is 0. Lower if I is equal to 0, nums I not equal to current lower, then this yep, I know. Lower nums I -1. I'll say if I think this should do the job. No? It again did -1. How? I equal to 0. Yes. nums, this is equal. Okay, I think I can improve this algorithm though. Input, lower is this, upper is this, output. Oh, this is an edge case. Interesting. Interesting edge case. Dude, these edge cases, nums is this, lower and upper. Oh, these are the negative cases they did. I thought the negative wouldn't be there. Oh, negative is there. But then lower is -3. This won't go here, right? Because it won't work. Current lower. What is current lower? Lower -3. This should be the edge case. If this is the right way. Yeah. Beats 100%. This one I wrote as a little bit shit, honestly, I feel like. Is this good code? I don't think so, is it? Makes sense. These takes both the edge cases. I'm not happy with this. I will do it this way. Little bit, yes. Will this work? Yeah. This one at least makes sense because I don't like that. I can just have one condition that makes sense. Yeah, this is fine. I think now this is fine. Yeah, it works. It works. Yep. Okay, that's good. So I'll just post it in the flex. Okay, and let's watch that. Yo, welcome Black. That doesn't sound good for internet. Welcome everyone. The name was Black. That doesn't sound good, man. You guys will get me cancelled one day. Imagine somebody just clip that and just post it. Bro, you will get me cancelled on the first day, mate. Why? Welcome though, bro. Welcome. link, missing ranges. I'm going to send the PDF here too in a bit. What was it? The screenshot of the submission. One 163. Plex. Beautiful. Okay, Wrench, let's look at the video you sent, bros.
What's going on, YouTube?
Nice, bro. Nice. Good job.
What's going on, YouTube? This is Ipsec, and thanks to Hack the Box for introducing Battlegrounds.
Holy, that's a 56-minute video. Do you have a smaller one? Gameplay with... Let's watch a smaller one. That's a long video, bro. Okay, let's see.
Build a website you love.
I already did, mate. Okay, I will watch that. Give me 1 minute. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let's watch this and then I'll watch that one.
Welcome to Cyber Mayhem.
Oh, it's team one.
The match
Not
will
individual.
begin in 3, 2, 1. Flags have been planted.
They are long, bro, because they have to be... Yeah, makes sense. That's actually cool, yeah.
Your team has owned a user flag. Your team has owned a machine. Warning, your team is losing availability points.
Oh, 100%. Looks sexy, bro.
May
100%
your
looks
experience
sexier.
lead you to victory.
Looks sexier than the King of the Hill from Try Hack Me, that's for sure. You know what it reminds me of? I'll watch that video too, and then I'll just open the other one.
What's going on, YouTube? This is Ipsec, and thanks to Hack the Box for introducing Battlegrounds.
I'll just keep this here so I don't forget. This will remind me. Okay.
We not only get a chance to do some live hacking, but also instant response of other people hacking us in real time, trying to figure out how they get onto a box, and then patching the vulnerability to hopefully prevent them from getting back on at a later time. But before we do anything, there are 3 quick things I want to go over. First, as of recording this video, this mode is only available to VIP and VIP Plus members. That's not to say it's always going to stay that way, but right now it requires a subscription that's either £10 or $13 per month, which actually is a steal when you consider it also gives you access to over 150 retired machines and walkthroughs, and also the Pwn box, which is a Parrot VM in the cloud that you can access via your browser. So I would highly recommend getting VIP if you are not already one. Secondly, the platform is treated like active boxes. Please do not stream or post videos of these boxes until Hack the Box provides further guidance. I know a lot of people would benefit highly from watching these type of videos, but the game may not be fun after all the videos and walkthroughs of the machine go out, because people would start going and having like auto patching scripts, which just absolutely kills this game mode. I know Hack the Box wants to allow streaming, and hopefully that comes soon, but as of right now, please do not stream any machine. I know there's going to be machines shown in this video, but it's coming from Hack the Box on Hack the Box's YouTube channel, not my YouTube channel. Lastly, this feature is currently in beta. New features and machines are still being added pretty frequently, so the platform you see in this video may not line up exactly with what you see on the page.
The guy legit read a script and it looks so real.
So with all that
natural.
being said, let's get started. To access the Battlegrounds, just go to the Hack the Box website, and then on the left side, there's going to be this Battlegrounds link. Click it, and then click play. This brings you to the dashboard where you can see all the various game modes. Right now, only Cyber Mayhem is available, which is a 4 versus 4 attack and defend game that takes 1 hour to play. So I'm going to click on Play Battleground, select the match type I want, which again, only Cyber Mayhem is available, so I'll click Find Match. And then while we wait, we can check out the How to Play.
I love their artwork. I cannot precise how much I love their artwork. It's amazing.
Which is going to have frequently asked questions on the right, like, do you need to form a team? The answer is no, you do not. You can play by yourself or be joined by 2 or 3 other friends. If you go by yourself, it'll just auto-match you with people until it gets to 4 versus 4. The game won't start until there's 8 people in the queue, and there's also some rules down the middle here, such as please don't shut down machines. Also, do not change the root password. Every machine gets a unique root password. There are health checks to make sure people are playing fairly. So those health checks begin with HTB equals 1 in the process. Please do not kill those processes. And also, please don't use HTB equals 1 in your own attack stuff and try to fool people into thinking that's a health check script, because that's just unfair. Speaking of unfair, do not create a script that just randomly goes out and kills reverse shells. Anyone can do that. The trick is to actually learn how to patch things, because that's going to make you a better blue teamer. And if you're a better blue teamer, you're also going to be a better red teamer. Number 1, you'll know how to get around certain patches. And number 2, if you put better mitigations in your report, it's going to make it feel like it just isn't copy and paste from Nessus or something. It's going to make your report so much better if instead of don't let me do a reverse shell, you say, hey, if you did PHP in safe mode, it may have blocked my reverse shell first, sent you an alert, and then you would have had time to respond to me before I just pwned your whole environment. So definitely always learn how to patch things, because knowing blue helps tremendously. I came from a blue background, and I think it's probably what makes me such a strong attacker. Defenders also aren't supposed to kill an entire service. Instead, try to patch the vulnerability. So what that means is if you see a vulnerable website, don't just go and
Why?
kill Apache.
No, I think once I reach, let's say, 100k subscribers, 100% they will sponsor me, man. Trust me.
Instead, PHP apps. I'm a huge so while we wait, I'm going to go through my general workflow. So as you know, I'm a huge Tmux fan, so I have a few panes here. We have a server, a blue, a metasploit, and an attack pane, and by the end of the event, everyone's chaos, so it's probably going to get up to through like 10 up here. My server tab, number 1, I do this one for my VPN. When Battleground starts, everyone gets a unique VPN file, so that's what this tab is for. Then right below it, I put my pane that's going to have a web server. I don't have that launched right now.
Wait, this guy, Tyler, isn't he the one who posted about Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, like he worked with Try Hack Me team and they started like grabbing and he didn't like it, so he left? Isn't he the guy, same guy, if I'm not wrong? Right? Oh, yeah. I know his face. I don't remember his name. Sorry, yeah. He said the same thing, yeah. Dude, but he did so much. Like, it's fine. If you reach that level, I don't think you will need much. Yeah, I know. Yeah. For Try Hack Me, yeah.
Because every
Indeed. Yeah.
Battlegrounds, I create a new www directory to try to stay somewhat clean, and that's based off this www scale directory. So if I go in here, we can see I have a few files. Whoops. I have my public key, then linps, then this php-rev, which is just laudanum script that's hard-coded to have this IP address that will be changed when we generate a new directory. So if you don't have laudanum script, it's probably in user share laudanum php reverse shell.php. I remove, make sure the SSH trail me off used with a script. Then it's going to run, and it's copying this house copy HP point is it's just a witch. The second of the enter which is there to get clean rotate and flag. So that's it. All I do, keep in mind, this is a king. You're wasting time getting a flag, and you may waste that time during a flag rotate and miss out for points on. Additionally, as it's being spawned.
NAT automation flow for CTF times latest CTF. Oh yeah, it makes sense. This, yeah, but why not create like in the something like a news? Just, yeah, you can add it 100%, bro. I will say add it in like something like a news or something, right? Something like here, a better one. Maybe we can create one which is like latest something, right? Because this one has vulnerability alert. This one has news. We can create something for that, like latest CTF people who want to know and stuff. I'm down for that. Yeah, we can discuss 100%. I would love that. I think a lot of people want to know about like latest CTFs that are happening and stuff. So yeah. Also, you know what? That remind me of this one aptitude test
Time to save wherever we can.
for the Edward Snowden movie. Yeah. This is one of a really good one, a really good scene. I love it.
Berlin, Istanbul. Any server, any connection. The modern battlefield is everywhere. Which means
Hacking
you don't have
plus
to sit
server
in the
deployment.
ditch eating MREs or dodging mortar fire. It means that if there is another 9/11, it'll be your fault.
What is scrambled? What is scrambled? What?
Just as the last one was my generation's. Believe me, you do not want to live with that burden. We're going to start with an aptitude test. Each of you is going to build a covert communications network in your home city.
Gotcha.
You're going to deploy it, back up your site, destroy it, and restore it again. The point of this exercise is to keep your infrastructure up and running securely. The average test time is 5 hours. If you take more than 8, you will fail.
Mr. O'Brien? I'm done, sir.
You don't have to tell me when you've completed a stage.
No, I finished the whole thing.
It's been 40 minutes.
38.
What?
38 minutes.
Okay, let's see where you screwed up.
You didn't say we had to do it in order, sir, so I broke the sequence to save time, and I automated the backup process to run as I built the site.
Eyes on screens.
Sir? What should I do now?
Whatever you want.
Quoted. Love the scene though. This is actually a really good scene. I like it. It's like intense. Yeah, like there is a thing, right? You can keep on making the backups, but you really need to realize that resources are not unlimited, right? Because for me, for example, the company I work for, I can make backup every minute, every day and stuff, right? But like basically every day is my call, but like I can't make it every hour. Has to be like, depending on what resources you have, what SLA you have, you want to have backups in that sense. For example, Google wants to do it every minute or every, like, let's say 10 minutes or 15 minutes. For the company I work for, in our SLA, it is 1 day. Some is 7 years. What 3 to 1 rule? No, just has been the case. Okay, heads up, detected a video in your streaming belonging to someone else. Your stream can maybe temporarily. Okay. I got the notification already. No. You can't know, because the client I'm working for, you don't know which client I'm working for. It's impossible. And I'm talking about a past client. So it's very hard for you to know. I had like really big clients, man. It's very hard. Yeah, notification there. AI is pretty good for detecting these things. Here, see this. Heads up. Heads up, we have detected video in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. If you plan to continue, please ensure that the content owner has been added to your channel as an allow list. 3 to 1 backer. Why is having 3 copies of your data stored on 2 different media types? Oh no, we have a way better one. Nah. We have a way better one. We have really good one. Trust me, because I was allowed to test certain things on it. Now we have like way more than 3 copies, boss. It's a lot. We have a lot of copies. Nah, I can't tell you anything. I can't tell you stuff, but I can just say we have a lot of copies. If you want to know the number, reality is I also don't know, because there are so many copies. I can't give you the number. And we store it for like a really long time too, right? Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, my accountant, if I go, depending on the law where you are, right? In Canada, for example, if you are accountant, right, regarding accounts and tax, you have to save my data, as my accountant will have my data saved for 7 years. No, it's not that. It's not stupid. Trust me, because it depends on the SLA. We are being paid to do it, right? We are being told that, hey, we will pay you. Make sure the data is this and blah blah blah. We are legit being paid for it. Yeah, we know. Like, I don't know the number, because I have to see how many copies there are, and there is a rule based on that, how many copies there are, and special copies stay forever. So, but like, we are being paid for it, right? The client told us, hey, you have to like, we'll pay you, just make sure these copies are there. Because for them, it's cheaper to have, it's always better to have the copies than, let's say, in an incident, they are like having issues. Yeah. There's again, timeline, right? There's a law, there is a SLA, that much timeline, we delete it. It's automatic. Everything is automatic. You never do it. I don't do it. It's automatic. We created the scripts and functions and stuff. I can't say the company name, man. That's the problem. I can just tell you it's a more than $100 billion company. You should not work with that. That's fine, man. Well, like, all I'm saying is basically there is a lot of things regarding backups. Backups are considered like very, very important. I'm down for these. There are so many good ones, yo. Hogwarts, Linux. I'm down for like just playing one day. Any of these ones. I'm down for these. If you ever want, right? Like, I'm down for like some King of the Hill games and stuff. But alrighty, lads. I think that's all for today. We got a bunch of new family members into the zone, so welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Right? What is someday? Like, we can just discuss in the Discord. We can discuss in the Discord. I think that would be best. Let's discuss in the Discord. Yeah. I think a lot of people will like, especially like, we all are almost at the same level, beginners, so will be fun, right? But yeah, that's all for today, lads. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining. Paul, thank you so much, and welcome to Hackers Pub, right? The censored family, right? And yeah, technically we all are noobs. So yeah, welcome. Hope you enjoy your journey. We are going to work tomorrow. I'm going to come in the morning. My morning right now it's 11 p.m. In my morning around 8:30 I will come for some hacking, and this is our routine almost daily. Like in the morning it's hacking, Canada morning it's hacking, and Canada night, which is India morning, we do LeetCode. I'm okay with that number. Too much pressure. If you're number one, too much pressure, man. I'm okay with 2. If whenever you choose to be Power Ranger, I never wanted to be Red Power Ranger. Too much pressure. Go for blue. You get the same amount of spotlight, but less pressure. You have no idea how lazy I am, man. Okay, lads. It has been a pleasure. Thank you so much all for joining, right? And I will see you guys tomorrow for some LeetCode or Die. Don't forget to join the Discord. The link is both pinned in both the chats, Twitch and YouTube, right? And I will see you guys tomorrow for some hacking SSRF using Portswinger. Till then, is Quiet Alone being the best. Okay. But yeah, thank you so much, lads, for joining. See you tomorrow. This has been your favorite censored hacker, sniffer of packets, the ghost inside the wire, signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, lads. Have a good one. Cheers. Give your loved ones a lot of hugs, and thank you. Cheers. Bye.